The Milwaukee M18 PACKOUT cordless job site fans gives you a compact unit that produces plenty of cooling power. With a brushless motor that quickly propels air up to 33 km per hour and 24 meters cubed per minute, this job site fan is ideal for personal cooling. With PACKOUT compatibility, you now get unmatched mobility, saving downtime spent hauling tools on and off the site. Optimized for runtime, this fan delivers over 3 hours of use on high, 6.5 hours at 75% speed, and over 13 hours using it at 50% capacity with the Milwaukee M18 red lithium 5 Ah battery. The M18 PACKOUT job site fan also includes an AC power cord for extended runtime and has a variable speed dial and a 300-degree adjustable head, providing optimal airflow for any job. The impact-resistant design, along with dust and water ingress protection, withstands demanding job site environments, and the keyholes, pass-through holes, and PACKOUT compatibility allows the fan to be mounted in unique positions and orientations across the job site. If you're in the market for a new job site fan or are keen to keep on building your PACKOUT setup, you can't look past these awesome Milwaukee M18 PACKOUT cordless job site fans. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments, or you can grab your own from your nearest trade tools store or online at tradetools.com.